That old dog down yonder.
That's old Tim Johnson, ain't it?
Yeah.
What's he doing?
I don't know, Scout. You better go home.
Oh, Jim, it's February.
I don't care. I can go tell Cal. Cal, can you come down the sidewalk a minute?
What for, Jim? I can't come to the sidewalk anytime you want me.
There's an old dog down yonder.
I can't wrap up any dog's foot right now. Go get the gauze from the bathroom and do it yourself.
He's sick, Cal. Something's wrong with him.
What's he trying to do? Catch his death?
No, he's going like this. He's going like that only. Not like he means to.
Jim Finch, are you telling me a story?
No, I swear I'm not.
Was he running?
No, he's just moseying along. In fact, he's coming this way. Come on, Cal. See, I told you he was sick.
Mr. Finch, this is Cal. I swear to God, there's a mad dog down the street. Yes, sir. I declare he is. Old Tim Johnson, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Miss May, I'm done talking with Mr. Finch. Please do not connect me anymore. Listen, Miss May, can you please call Miss Rachel, Miss Stephanie Crawford, and whoever else has a phone on this street? There's a mad dog coming. Please, ma'am. Do the Bradleys have a phone?
No, they won't come out anyway.
I don't care. I'm still going to tell them. You two stay inside. Stay inside, son. Where is he, Calpurnia? He ought to be here by now, sir.
Not running, is he?
Not yet, sir. He's in the twitching stage. Should we go after him, Heck?
We should better wait. They usually walk in a straight line, but you can never tell. He might follow the curve, but if he doesn't, he might go into the Radley place. Let's wait a little bit.
Don't think he'll get into the Radley yard. Fence will stop him. He'll probably follow the road. Oh, look. There he is.
Look at him. Mr. Heck said they walked in a straight line, but he can't even stay in the road.
Look at him. He looks more sick than anything.
Let anything get in front of him, and he'll come straight at it.
He's got it all right, Mr. Finch.
He's looking for a place to die.
He's far from dead, Jim. He's just getting started.
He's within range, Heck. We better shoot him before he goes down the side street. Lord knows what's around the corner.
Take him, Mr. Finch.
Don't waste time, Heck. Go on!
Mr. Finch, really a one-shot job.
Don't just stand there, Heck. He's not gonna be here all day.
For God's sake, Atticus, you know I can't shoot that well.
I haven't shot a gun in 30 years!
I'll feel mighty comfortable if you did now. You were right, Mr. Finch.
Always was. If I had my druthers, I'd take a shotgun. Stay where you are.
See what's come get him. Just do right tell him, Mr. Finch. These things never leave you.
Atticus?
Yes?
Nothing.
Jim, come here. Listen to me, son. You do not go near that dog. He is as dangerous dead as he is alive.
Yes, sir. Atticus?
What, son?
Nothing.
Now, you boy, can't you speak? Then you know your daddy.
Hush, Heck. Let's go back to town.
See him, Scout? See him just standing there? And just so relaxed, and he was so quick like. If I took a shot like Atticus did, I'd be aiming for 10 minutes.
Got to tell you the other day, besides playing the Jew's harp, Atticus Finch was the deadliest shot in Macomb County.
Dead shot?
That's why I said, Jeff Finch. Guess you'll change your mind about him now. Didn't you know his nickname was Old One Shot? Dad Landon, when he was growing up, if he shot 15 bullets and hit 14 does, he complained about losing ammunition.
Never say anything about that.
Never said anything about it, did he?
No, ma'am.
I wonder why he never goes hunting now. I think I can tell you why. If he follows anything, he's civilized in his heart. Marksmanship is a gift of God. I think he put his gun down because he realized he had an unfair advantage over most living things. I think he didn't want to pick up his gun until he had to, and he had to today. Looks like he'd be proud of it. People in their right minds never take pride in their talents.
We're really gonna have something to talk about on Friday, aren't we?
Don't say anything about it, Scout.
What? I certainly am. Ain't nobody's dad is the deadest shot to make him.
I reckon if he wanted us to know, he would have already told us.
Maybe just fixed his mind.
Nah, Scout, you won't understand. Atticus is real old. I don't care that he couldn't do anything. You know, Atticus is a real gentleman, just like me.